Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
Ginong shnong Laitumkhrah gila penpau ya kejing Lyngngoh ya kejing penbena jong Sorkar man Pynkynriah no ya kiba Jong di jing di Harud Surok Laitumkhrah sha Veronica Lane Laitumkhrah. Kuman Pynkyn mau ke Menteri Sorkar ke kong amperin Lyngngoh ke bamik khamat ya ke East Shalong constituency kala pentip menha ke arpu arterik ukela lingkot arajar arpu saw ba ansa Pynkynriah no ya kiba Jong di jing di Harud Surok haki bentah jong Laitumkhrah. Kekong amperin kala ong bahdin ke jingelang bat kedor bar shnong Laitumkhrah pelun ki ofisar ketenat PHE la shim ya karai ban Pynkynriah no i ba Jong di jing di Harud Surok ka badai ga lenti ya ki jat ki pat ba bat ban Pynkynriah i ki na Laitumkhrah sha Veronica Lane Laitumkhrah bat ban Pynkalaru ya ka rukom penyat kali ha ka te ka than namar kata ginong shnong ka shnong Laitumkhrah menta ka sngi ka arterik urempang ar hajar ar pusaw kala mi shakhamat ban yakran bakilat pathai khubor halor ka te kamat ha ka bakila penpau ya ka jing sngo khya halor ka ni ka jing thmu jong ka Sorkar namar ka jing mom yo jing tep ai kinong shnong halor ka te ka rai bala shim da ka Sorkar bat kinong elam shnong tat hadu dalai ui hagilat pathai khubor kini kinong shnong kilo ongru maka dorbar klem ai jing tep ye ki halor ka ni ka rai bat kala pensa ye ki ha ka jing Lyngngoh haba wat jing tep lalap baya ka te ka rai la shim hi shimen klem da kanjo kti ni kinong shnong nalor kata kini kinong shnong kila penpau banalor ba ka Surok ha Veronica Lane kala dei lupa ka bakhem kam dan nong rem man Pynkala ya ka rukom penyat kali namar ka te ka jaka ka dan bun ki jaka sumar kum ka Bethany Hospital bat ki wei na ka benta ki nong pang bat ban Pynkala ya ka rukom penyat kali kan bu jing e ki nong pang ha ba ki let sumar ha ki te ki jaka
kasih haga ato arterek ukala lingkot halor ka phang bat Pynkynriah no ek street vendors lani kinong di jing di Surok na Laitumkhrah main road sha Lady Veronica Lane ni ku kinong shnong ni klem yo jing ai lani ka jing penpana dakum noru na ka dorbar lani na ka Sorkar haswa ka pension ni ka rai ni la kidit threat bangino ko bayo tudong besen habang yo sngo ya ka rai jo ikong amperin lep ka dorbar shnong habala tokit pha la la pade ka rai shin jogi nalor kata ini di Surok ibala red bha ba iba khem bha tamban ya mentaru kalong ka bala khem rupa henry hai ini Surok don ru ki school kum ka Bethany society ka bade ka school na ka benta ki khna badun jintuna ka dokon me ka meri rise ka bade ka school na ka benta ki khna ki badun jintuna ka bor berkhat ka don ru ka jaka sumar khmat lani ka eye care hospital ka ba ka kirte ka bansara eye care center halor kata ki omru ban kham ni kali ban ya imba kan ka Surok ban sabu la ki por ya hendra ye kali tingim snow don nong rim haba pon ki nong sha sumar khamat bat ki priu ni badon jintuna kamet ki don kamru ban sha le bu bat sha wan sha na kini ki jaga sumar kumno ki mot ban penya di ki nong pang shido ka parking bagi thmu ban bo ya ki yo ki bialai da kono ka nong rim nim la zu thu Shushu ni kum kinong shnong la dan nan kanu ka jingja basmusi kumno ken kinya ki ambulance bagi kali pelipting namar kanti ka bala khem lupa halor kata kin bu se kata ka yo ha ka jaka ka bari kalinti yan brio la ni ka footpath nei pat kin mangi ki brio nya yan kanu ka basmusi palat bai menteri badan burom ibadai petru ikatanat health and family welfare iklan to perkhatlem yangi ki nong shnong but ki stakeholders bashakta da kani kalai bai la shukun bana hak dak Pynkynriah no yeki street vendors shakani kali ni la thong shiti would sin chiki nong shaki officer ba he ka Sorkar yeki minister ba pher but kumchu ru DC badan burom henry hadu manta ni patyo ajaba pe ru dia mensim ni kum ki nong shnong but kalau pensmo si ini hadu kata bangin bat se show bangin shimba dengan negarai banle dengan press release babaro ki priyo ki tip bakin yu ya ka jing bam sut nyo jo ki nong mi khamat jumi bakim sut nyo ya ki jing jumi ki ba shakta dengan negarai questions bangin su suggest kumni mentate long ki lesi kampoy ni ini mo actually ki kwa kan kundu ka Sorkar hi kwa kan kundu hi kong amperhi ya gitu ki badan la mo hata tu kami bagi decide mo mano badan tu lang kuat senang pelun kiong bayaran lah. Tinggi kuat kedua lang Kiba ngiru gila I suggestions did. Ngiru dan suggestions malaran asmo. Kedepan kan kuat ni benar Harud dalam apa yang kuat kuat. Dalam apa yang kuat kuat dalam one haki social media platform, the one haki YouTube, the one haki news channels ni benar kumta. See, that is the planning. Maka Sorkar ka hapat kit clear mo. Kani bagi decide. Nahi, actually, por bagi decide ke kani there is supposed to be a vetting committee. Mo, but they but I think that committee was not made. Namar balay ilati pala khim lupa. Finapen ka Veronica Lane ka pala khim lupa. Finapen show ki street vendors hapo Veronica Lane ki pen show hai halor ka footpath. Halinti yad brio. Kata ka footpath ru bakitang shushna shed. It is built on an open drain. More, it is a sanitary safety concern. More, everyone has a right to livelihood. But it's the responsibility of the government to plan properly. Only one should decide that, oh, this lane is going to be the one, just decide, street vendors. But we need to representatives or institutional stakeholders.
Good evening. So, of Lady Veronica Lane, and the rest of us are residents and also from the institutions along Lady Veronica Lane. So, see, our point is that we are not in conflict with anyone. The vendors have a right, and as per the Vendors Act of 2014, they have a right to ply their livelihoods, and we are not making any contrary statement to that. But once you relocate, then the town vending committee is there in every town. I mean, I'm not too sure. You said it's not formed. We are not sure. It must be formed because without the town vending committee, issues a certificate for vending. Okay, and they are the ones who decide on the space. So what we are saying is, by taking the footpath, which is free now, you are taking away the rights of pedestrians, of children, of people with disability who can reach their institutions in safety and security. Okay, we have Bertha here. Bertha is the executive director of Bethany Society, and she herself is visually impaired. I think we are very proud that within Lyngngoh, I mean the Darbar or whatever, has allowed, it's the only street in Shillong which has at least 4 institutions that are supporting the education, rehabilitation of people with disability. We have Mary Rice Center, you have a school for hearing handicap, you have the Jyoti Srot School, you have a vocational training center. Opposite that, you have an eye care center where senior citizens come, cataract operations are there. So by taking away the footpath, which is an access to these children, you are actually jeopardizing or preventing them from reaching their schools or colleges in safety. So that is our point. We are saying it should be balanced. There should be a balance between the rights of pedestrians and the rights of vendors to have a livelihood. We are not contesting that. Reconsider the decision. We have written to the minister, we have written letters to the paper, and so on. So, I mean, it's not a conflict. I mean, this is happening across India because people need livelihoods. But people also need a safe and secure space for moving around, including cars. So, we are a bit confused now, and I just want to give you an example. They are shifting 89 hawkers or 89 vendors. We measured the space. There are 89 vendors are going to be placed in 800 feet length of space. So which means that each hawker gets only 3 feet, if all 89 are coming in. So these are the major, issues that we want to raise. That we need a solution. Somebody said, then what I was suggesting is that why don't we use a part of the road going down from Don Bosco's right down to St. Anthony's, Jacob's Ladder? Why can't that be used? If you are using a lane for an institution, then why can't we divide the hawkers? Why can't the road from Shillong College to St. Mary's College, why can't that be used as hawkers? So that is the point. Bertha, you want to say anything?
We all understand Kasi, Yeah. Nila ada ong waro armut hoat yaki. Children with disabilities, adults with disabilities, mano mo. Handrai ngiat piatip hi bag yakatu kalentiru ki pendan kam ki kena school ti kini ki kena school ki St. Mary's ki tu prokai ki school Laitumkhrah ki pendan kam bania nang tu ban late school ban one school namar ba kalat naga Surok ba ti menstep janmit lay mju dan Jakarta bania yai Harud sakawai pa there syukwa ban ong hang ni ba sisien I lawan I minister badan buram mo siya ka campus Jongi ti yong balashna ya ka tu ka footpath hang tu lenter ba kan pensuk ya ki kena bakin yard plus ki persons with disabilities bakan long save ya ki naka kali mo ki bayat sinang sharum namenta pa de ni osngo ba ya ka jo ka footpath kaba iong ban pensuk bakin yard la ai no akinong dia jingde tementa mdei tang tu nong dia jingde ba shong tu ha footpath sakinong thiet na road tekat no kain khat arphot niang yam sakat no then hoi ladaki ong ru pat dia ba kandan ka benta banum yat kali shu handrai kandan pat dia ka kidan pat dia ki bangim la ti ki khna ban yat de ka kejat Kidan kiba hab shong daka kali, but ngimla but there ban ngihab nginne kumno nginhab up ya kata timing jong ka Sorkar bersyak ban rum kali, pemso ya hab mo ya kata ru, te kata shwa. Kalong start kumta kay wailadan kaja kayo, sakat tengit sakat jabo sakat bom so thau te ka ngim ka kan kamtam lum komyangi le ki bom imat mu ki banyat la tungkho ya ki breu la tungkho ya ki shang la tungkho ya ki nong thiet shatem shakren no komni komtai mdan dignity show kanyangi ni khamsok ya ka tu ka Surok namar bakalong private to a certain extent mdai banyat nang te ha main road kan saki wheelchairs ki wheelchairs kinyat kumno hang tu ha Surok ndakala khap nya palat bat breu bat nong dia jingde bat ki kali hoi minister ha tu la ong nginum sha shu bakin le parking hang tu nginum sha shu bakin ya ki two wheelers ki ong one way mo ya ka tu njudan mo ta one way ki two wheelers ki one bed ni stai so tha te haduk kat no ka Sorkar ka la ban regulate ya ka traffic lani kan benmi ta ki rules ki batmai ki rules kin mi haduk kat no ba de ki la ban implement